Hello everyone, today we're reviewing the AOC Q27G42ZE, a budget 27-inch gaming monitor with 240Hz refresh rate and 1440 pixel resolution for under $200. With similar monitors costing $300 or more, is this the budget gaming deal of 2025 or the hidden compromises? So the Q27G42ZE delivers 2560 by 1440 QHD resolution on a 27-inch fast IPS panel with 240Hz refresh rate, overclockable to 260Hz, 1 millisecond GTG response time, G-Sync compatibility, HDR10 support, and low input lag mode for competitive gaming. At its sale price of $139 to $199, this is exceptional value. Competitors with similar specs cost $250 to $350. Users consistently praise the performance. One reviewer states it's very smooth and responsive with low input lag. 1440p at 27 inches is noticeably cleaner and more crisp, ideal for small desks, and color accuracy is good too. The fast IPS panel delivers 123.6% sRGB color average, better than many budget monitors. Response times generally hit 1 millisecond GTG, making it suitable for competitive FPS gaming, where every millisecond counts. AOC includes their full gaming toolkit, shadow control to reveal enemies in dark areas, game color for optimized saturation, dial point crosshair overlay for precise aiming, and low input lag mode that prioritizes response time over visual processing. The 240Hz refresh rate with G-Sync compatibility eliminates screen tearing and provides buttery smooth gameplay, especially noticeable coming from 60Hz or 144Hz monitors. Here's what you sacrifice at the price point. No built-in speakers. You need external audio. The stand only tilts, no height adjustment or swivel, though it's VESA mountable if you want an aftermarket arm. HDR10 support is basic with only 300 CD per meter square peak brightness. This isn't true HDR performance, just minimal certification. Limited connectivity with only one HDMI 2.0 and one DisplayPort 1.4, fine for single PC setups, but restrictive for multi-device users. The OSD button controls are clunky with no joystick. You manually select and interact with each button, which reviewers describe as tedious. This monitor excels for competitive gamers prioritizing speed over features, budget-conscious buyers wanting 1440p, 240Hz without breaking the bank, small desk setups where the compact stand base is beneficial, and esport titles like Valorant, CS2, Apex Legends, and Fortnite. It's not ideal for content creators needing color accuracy in HDR, multi-monitor setups requiring extensive connectivity, or users wanting premium build quality with full ergonomic adjustments. The final verdict: Q27G42ZE is absolutely worth it for budget gaming. At $139 to $199, you get genuine 240Hz 1440 pixel performance with fast IPS quality that punches way above its price class. The lack of speakers, basic stand, and limited ports are acceptable trade-offs for this value. It's highly recommended if you prioritize gaming performance over premium features. Just budget for external speakers and maybe a monitor arm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.